Monitor the bearing temperature closely. Get me the regional manager on the line. We have a situation developing at the water tunnel site.
The geological mapping shows significant variation here.
We should optimize the cutter spacing based on the simulation.
Dynamic balancing detects wobble. Correction involves welding or grinding. Verification requires retesting until within tolerance, simulating operational conditions. Cutter head face hardening, applying wear-resistant coatings, extending service life, reducing maintenance. Hard-facing welding, depositing hard alloys onto cutter head face.
Okay, push it forward gently. Check the alignment markers.
Markers aligned.
Secure the lock. And we have green. Well done.
Manufacturing powerful motors and gearboxes for massive cutter heads. The high-torque variable speed system delivers over 5,000 horsepower.
Installing sensors monitoring forces, temperatures, and wear during excavation operations. Load cells measure
The control system coordinates the gripper extension. These steel pads contact the rock wall with immense high pressure, anchoring the TBM firmly.
We have an alarm on the grounding circuit.
Check section 4. Verify the earth bonding.
Surface, we are maintaining target pressure at 300 psi. Advance rate steady.
Roger that, cabin. Keep it steady.
High water saturation detected in the core sample. Prepare for immediate pre-grouting and adjust TBM pressure accordingly.
The cutter head performed flawlessly, and the hydraulic tests passed verification. We can issue the certificate.
All results.
Peak force held at 110 tons. The retraction cycle was nominal.
Seal integrity confirmed. We are good to sign off on this report.
Capacity requirements met and no excessive wear detected.
Confirmed. The test is successful.
Pressure holding steady at design specs, engineer.
Volume checks out. No leaks detected. System accepted. Readings are stable. Sound levels within acceptable decibels. Good. Air quality confirmed. We have
Comprehensive testing of the hydraulic system, including pressure test to 1.5 design pressure, leak test, and flow.
Protection and grounding tests confirmed. The system is fully operational and meets all codes.
Sensor readings are nominal across the board.
actuator test initiating.
Warning, mismatch detected. Emergency
The current deviation is showing plus 25 millimeters.
Adjusting the thrust now, we are within tolerance.
Evacuate the tunnel immediately. All personnel report to the muster station.
Emergency, emergency. Simulated incident at checkpoint Gamma. All clear.
Well done. Keep it moving. Total time, 4 minutes.
The strain gauges show the stresses are within the safety factor.
Perfect. The structural adequacy is certified.
Everything is complete and verified, sir. If you could please sign here for final acceptance.
Looks good. Approved.
All green on the tie downs. Axle weights confirmed.
Route survey complete. You are clear to proceed with the escort.
Transport logistics coordinating movement from factory to construction site. We handle route planning, selecting optimal routes, obtaining
Align it with the markers.
Got it. Start the high pressure spray on the rust inhibitor.
We are now installing the connection bolts and torquing them to specification, ensuring the drive connection is secure.
Thrust jack installation requires mounting hydraulic cylinders, bolting them securely, connecting hoses, ensure.
Check the alignment on section 8.
Hydraulics engaging. We are level with the shield.
TBM signaling green. Conveyor flow stable at 80% capacity.
Copy that. Adjusting speed now.
Airflow is stable at 25 meters per second.
CO2 and dust levels are within safety limits. We are cleared for tunneling.
Okay, verify the sensors and start the actuator testing routine.
Sensors checked. Commanding actuators now.
We have an alarm during testing.
Sump pump is secure. Initiate dewatering sequence.
Flow meters are spiking, but the backup pump just activated. Levels are stabilizing.
The viscosity is good. We can proceed with the trial injection.
All right, increasing the pressure now.
Safety systems gauging for all safety equipment.
Reviewing the trial run data, the torque seems stable.
Agreed. We can optimize the grouting pressure slightly, but overall system check is green.
Performance testing verifying specifications, measuring advance rate comparing to contract, utilization calculating working time.
Here is the complete documentation package, including manuals and test reports. We are providing comprehensive
Cutter inspection, regular examination of disc cutters detecting wear, access stopping TBM accessing cutter head face, inspection visual examination measuring cutter diameter.
We initiate the cutter change by locking out the TBM systems. Remember, strict confined space entry procedures are critical for safety.
Based on the vibration monitoring and the oil analysis results, we have to plan for replacement.
I finished the lubrication on the gearbox.
Okay, I'm setting the tension now. We're almost ready for the alignment check.
We need to expedite the next shipment of bearings. The current lead time is impacting our critical stock levels.
All right, team, maintenance complete, uptime maximized across all systems.
Excellent work, boss.
We diagnosed the problem based on the alarms. The repair requires adjusting these settings. We'll document the root cause for training. The LiDAR is showing increased pressure on the upper segments.
Acknowledged. The AI is adjusting the advance rate now.
Predictive geology using AI, analyzing data, predicting geology ahead of cutter head.
Current production at 50 TBMs. All units must pass inspection by 1800 hours.
Welcome to the revolutionary TBM facility. Utilizing quantum-hardened cutting tools and AI-controlled systems,